are you doing?
I'm playing the sand.
What is that?
I play the sand.
What is that?
Making this one sound.
What is that? The other one?
I already know this.
And that one?
It's a guy.
It's a guy. Again, can you draw here, please?
Like
Here,
seriously,
yeah.
guy?
The rainbow and the guy. Can you draw, please, there?
Like that?
Yeah?
I'm
How?
not draw a rainbow like this.
Okay, the
Like
rainbow.
this?
Oh. Like that, the rainbow. What is the color of your rainbow?
Red and blue.
What like, why like?
Red and blue and yellow.
Okay, and what else?
Ah.
Can you draw me a man or a woman? Here, another side.
See, Mommy, I made a
Wow,
rainbow.
nice, very good. Here also. Draw there. What you want to draw there?
Circle up man, please.
A man?
And then
What is that?
Eyes.
Eyes. And then?
And mouth. And lips.
What is that?
A woman
A woman.
with a hair
Okay. And then, where's the hen?
and
Okay. And where's the feet?
feet is there.
Like that? How you know that? How you know to draw? How did you know?
Because I know to draw.
Who teach you?
See, Mommy, I draw it.
Yeah, who teach you?
Only me, I know
Why you know?
how to make it.
I love you.
I like